The introduction of Dash traces all the way back to the year 2014 when a prominent American crypto expert Evan Duffield initially presented the Dash coin. At first, as a coin, it was a redo or part of Litecoin to support Parallel, yet soon it was more famous as Dark Coin. This also became history when Duffield chose to course the execution of this digital money for making cash installments and initiated it as Dash, for example Advanced Cash. Despite the fact that Duffield and his forceful group put together Dash with respect to the structure of the codebase as Bitcoin, Dash was intended to stand separated with unmistakable elements integrated. Weightage normal indicators, 50-day, 100-day, and 200-day moving midpoints are among the most regularly utilized pointers to recognize significant opposition and backing levels. Any Dash/USD cost accelerations occurring over these midpoints will areas of strength for show. Brokers additionally prefer to utilize the RSI and Fibonacci retracement level markers to attempt to determine the future Dash estimate with regards to current cost developments. Crypto Volatility Index, CVIX. This record concentrates on unpredictability and cost variances, gauging the deviations. How much dynamism or vacillations decides the exhibition of Dash. A lot of Dash vacillations produce dread in the personalities of financial backers and block them from buy. Aside from CVIX and other aforementioned pointers, the exchanging volume of Dash is likewise a marker to comprehend its cost elements and the estimate it holds. Dealers come to showcase with yearnings that the digital money they hold will guarantee extraordinary returns for the crypto market. Nonetheless, because of the pandemic, financial backers are constrained to search for elective choices and in any event, supporting. Being recorded on most of trades gives Dash a supportability advantage. The symbolic shows an exchanging volume of $446,623,207.10. As of now, the Dash cost stamped sudden changes, and presently, it exchanges around $128.84. Despite the fact that numerous specialists think of it as a bullish token, there are numerous who devaluate this computerized resource, which is a decision for millions. The nerds have the accompanying fluctuated sentiments to refer to. Dash would arrive at a sign of around $247.94 according to the Dash cost expectation anticipated price by 2026. Going by what it was in last July, Dash sounds exceptionally bullish as it has shown a dependable consistency. As per the Dash cost expectation by Trading Beasts, toward the finish of 2022, the coin ought to handily swing around $133.414. Based on different Dash forecasts, 2022 to 2026 sounds bullish, as well, making it to $201.11. Justifiably, numerous different stages and experts appear to have some serious doubts of the uncommon qualities figure. They see bears administering the Dash realm instead of bulls driving the Dash truck. Be that as it may, from July 2022 to January 2024 Dash is by all accounts taking a bear break and again proceeding to flood, supporting. Nothing stays permanent. All things considered, it tends to be famously hard to make solid Dash cost forecast as the business is extraordinarily unstable. Continuously lead your own expected level of effort and guarantee you have a viable gamble the board system set up prior to adding another Dash to your portfolio. Run Group should extend its points of view by bringing more collusions. Pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies. With managed world economies moving towards downturn, it is demonstrated certain that advanced monetary forms will run the monetary realm. According to the Dash cost forecast, the coin will be one of the most pivotal lords of this wild. Arising as a very powerful and dynamic power, Dash will be the pick and selection of financial backers, particularly on the grounds that it has endured for an extremely long period, and furthermore financial backers have found an element of dependability implanted in this token. Instability, obviously, as conveyed over and over, been the apple of disagreement, yet that turns out as expected for any sort of money wherein factors expressed here and above impact and affect the cost of a resource, Dash coin being no special case by the same token. There are additionally experts engaged with the investigation of rates and the execution of exchanges on the web. The digital money is very fit for producing substantial pay, which draws in clients. People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself regardless. Run cost will outperform the assumptions for all digital money financial backers who have found this stage incredibly intelligent and simple. The progressive yet consistent ascent in the cost of Dash might not have won it the highest digital currency grant. However, shrewd financial backers have figured out how to trust that this resource will perform and make all the difference for trade. All the more critically, despite the fact that the new exhibition of Dash cost has not soared on the trade ascending to magnificence, one conspicuous reality that arises here is Dash coin is staying put, rise, fill in the business sectors in full sprout. The Dash Labs development, a Dash group of designers, and a positive news foundation around this blockchain undertaking could expect the revisitation of the main 10 by market capitalization. Likewise, new organizations and the extension of the geology of Dash value installments are normal and will have something to do with the cost of the coin. With the year over and Dash has had an up and margin time of it, the cost expectation for the impending years is still very certain. Runcoin began in its underlying years on a negative note as it was exchanging at around $35, however was one of the focusing lights before long. The group is laying out organizations with installment frameworks and with little and enormous organizations. Presumably a simple to utilize Dash is great, it is more utilitarian and promising when it is not difficult to spend. Runcoin has laid out a quick solid organization and works with the client experience of the item. Run Price Prediction 2022. Now that we've recapped how precisely Dash functions, how about we start by taking a gander at the Dash cost expectations for 2022. However, there are better possibilities not too far off hiding for Dash, with organizations like longforecast.com making various stories out and out have built up momentum. Seeing not excited costs, financial backers might select to peruse different expectations that sound more hopeful. A similar examination of different Dash cost expectations assists us with reasoning that Dash may, without a doubt, give a terrific exhibition in the year 2022. It very well may be the impact of pandemic settling down or antibody setup, or so far as that is concerned, government-issued types of money have bombed their test. Run Price Prediction 2023. In light of the Dash cost forecast, it is normal that the coin could reach $202.89 in the year 2023. A distinctively noticeable difference places purchasers in charge of the following bearing Dash cost will take. Run Price Prediction 2024. According to the Dash cost gauge, the coin cost could hit around $220.